Hello children, welcome to EVS class. In today's class, we will see the lesson supplementary reader lesson Nitin's tricycle. All of you open page number 96. Lesson name Nitin's tricycle. Nitin got a little tricycle as a gift on his birthday. It was a cute little tricycle with 3 wheels. It also had a horn which went pom pom pom. Nitin sat on it and cycled round and round the compound. So here in this lesson, boy name is Nitin. How you get different gifts on your birthday? Like that, Nitin got a little tricycle as a gift on his birthday. It was a cute little tricycle with 3 wheels. So, tricycle means it has 3 wheels. See here, it is 1, 2, 3. So, tricycle means it's with 3 wheels, and it also had a horn which sounds pom pom pom, and Nitin sat on it and cycled round and round the compound. One day the cycle told Nitin, I'm tired of going round and round in the same place. Let's go to the main road and have a race with the cars and buses. What are you saying? Cried Nitin, shocked. The big cars and buses will knock us down. No, I will ride only in the compound. The little cycle got angry with Nitin and decided to go out of the compound alone. So one day the cycle told Nitin, I am very tired of going round and round in the same place in this compound only. So let's go to the main road and have a race with the cars and buses. Then after these words of cycle, Nitin said that, what are you saying? If we go out of the compound, the big cars and buses will knock us. Knock us means they hit us down. So, I am not agree to go out of the compound. I will ride only in the compound. So, then after hearing these all words of Nitin, the little cycle got angry because Nitin was not agree with his decision. So then the cycle decided to go out of the compound alone. The next day, when Nitin was away at the play school, the little cycle rolled out of compound. It rolled on into a narrow lane feeling very happy. Suddenly, a big bicycle came from behind ringing its bell, tring tring. Who's left this silly little cycle in the middle of the road? Shouted the big fat man on the big bicycle. The little tricycle shook with anger. I'm not a silly little tricycle. I too have wheels and pedals and a beautiful seat. It shouted after the man and rolled on. Then the next day, when Nitin went to his play school, the little cycle rode out of the compound. He rolled out of the compound alone, and it rolled on into a narrow, small lane, feeling very happy. So at that time, suddenly a big bicycle came from behind, ringing its bell, tring tring. And the big fat man riding on that big bicycle, he said, who's left this silly little tricycle in the middle of the road? So he shouted, "Who left this silly little tricycle?" So the big fat man on the big bicycle, he came there and he shouted on the little tricycle. And the little tricycle replied that, I am not a silly little tricycle. I too have a wheels and pedals and a beautiful seat also. It shouted after the man and started again, rolled on. So it said to big fat man, "Why are you shouting on me? I am not a silly little tricycle. So like you, I have also wheels on my cycle and pedals also. See here, these are called pedals and a beautiful seat also. So don't shout on me." And it's again moving on the road. After a while, an auto rickshaw came rattling along. It stopped and said to the cycle, "Little one, you should not roll about here. It's dangerous." The little cycle was not ready to listen. "I too have three wheels. Why should not I move around like you?" it asked, and then rolled on and reached the main road. What a sight it saw! Cars and buses and lorries. The road was full of them. "Wow, it's fun to roll on like this," it cried. So after a while, an auto rickshaw came with his sound and it stopped and said to cycle, "Hey little one, you should not roll about here. You should not move here. It is very dangerous." Then the little cycle was not ready to listen any one words. And it said, "I too have three wheels like you. Why should not I move around like you here?" it asked, and then rolled on and reached the main road. And there it saw cars, buses and lorries. So when this cycle reached the main road, it saw cars and buses and lorries. The road was full of them. So the road was full of many different types of vehicles. Wow, it's fun to roll on like this. So it was very happy now. At the moment, a car came to a screeching halt behind the little tricycle. "Roll home before you get knocked down," it told the tricycle and moved on. The little tricycle got very angry. It got on to the main road and started rolling with the other vehicles. So at that moment, a car came to screeching halt behind the little tricycle. So at that moment, a car came there and the car said, "Roll home before you get knocked down." So you go to your home back, otherwise you will hit down here. So it told the tricycle and moved on. But the little tricycle got very angry and it got on to the main road and started rolling with the other vehicles. So it next started moving with the other vehicles. Just then, two huge lorries came, one in front of and one behind the little cycle. "I'm finished. They will crush me," cried the terrified little cycle, closing its eye tight. The next moment, the cycle felt itself being lifted and thrown away. It fell upside down. it opened its eyes to see what had happened. The lorries had stopped and carefully pushed it to one side. Both the lorries scolded the cycle and drove away. The little cycle slowly turned right side up onto its wheels. Its whole body was aching, but it somehow slowly rolled back homewards. The car on the road asked the little tricycle, "Are you tired of the road?" The little cycle kept quiet. Nitin was right. It thought and decided never to roll out of the compound ever again. So, next what happened? Then two huge lorries came, one in front of the tricycle and another one behind the little tricycle. So, in the between of these two lorries, it is this little cycle struck. So then it thought that I am finished now. They both lorries crush me. So it started terrified and crying. Then the little cycle closed its eyes. Then it felt that itself being lifted and thrown away somewhere. Then after he opened its eyes and see that the lorries had stopped and carefully pushed it to one side. So both the lorries scolded the cycle and they move away. They draw away. So those two lorries scolded the cycle and they pushed this cycle into one side. And after they went, both the lorries are drawn away. The little cycle slowly turned right side up onto its wheels and its whole body was aching now. Its whole body was paining, but it somehow slowly rolled back to homewards. And the car again asked the little tricycle, "Are you tired of the road? Or you want to more roll on this road?" So the car asked to the tricycle. Then this little tricycle kept quiet now. So it was not arguing with any persons now. So Nitin was right. So he realized now. So Nitin was right. If we go outside of the compound, we get these types of troubles. So you also, while riding your bicycle, you ride your bicycle under the observation of your parents and your elders. Don't go with your cycle on the main roads. So you read this lesson and learn the new words, glossary words, and find the answer for the questions which are in page number 98.